Hi, and welcome to another installment of Math Basics, Mr. Besh. Today we look at slope and correlation. So with slope, you have a line, a graph on a coordinate plane, and with correlation, we're going to look at a scatter plot, both of which are very useful in both Math 7 and algebra. Now, these are the types of slopes that we see. The first part, where it's defined as uphill, this is example positive slope. When you have a line on your graph and it increases from left to right, your slope value is greater than 0, and that's what's referred to as having a positive slope. In my second picture, we have downhill, and when your line on your graph actually descends going from left to right, it's referred to as having a negative slope. And when you look at your slope value, it'll have a value less than 0. The third type you have is a horizontal line. Horizontal lines always have a slope of 0. And the bottom line is, by definition of what slope was in the first place, is the steepness of a line, and horizontal line shows no steepness in one direction or another. Last but not least, we have a vertical line. A vertical line slope is undefined, and basically what that means is that it does not exist. This is an example, these terms here are an example of recognizable vocabulary, and definitely give you a jump start when mastering the content in algebra, especially graphing lines on the coordinate plane. Now, correlation works basically the same way. Correlation is when you talk about your scatter plot. Your scatter plot is a graph where you're plotting individual points based on your data. And what you should notice is that there are 4 relative types of correlation, first being positive. When your ordered pairs increase from left to right, or if they ascend from left to right in your graph, this is referred to as having a positive correlation. However, in the second picture here, if your ordered pairs or points descend, go down from left to right, this is referred to as having a negative correlation. The third picture shows no rhyme or reason. This is no correlation. You notice from your ordered pairs, your points, that they show no sign of any type of pattern. And last but not least, the final one, nonlinear, means not a line. And what happens is you go up, you go down, you go up, you go, but the bottom line is you also notice a pattern. And as a result, because it is not just a going straight up or going straight down, this is referred to as your nonlinear pattern. So that's basically that. Once again, recognizable vocabulary. And that's that. I hope you found this video both helpful and informative.